Hello, my name is Emmanuel Keller, Application Specialist for WEINMANN Emergency in the US, also firefighter paramedic in the Metro Atlanta area, and this is a short introduction to the MEDUMAT Easy CPR. The MEDUMAT Easy CPR, small, compact mechanical ventilator, easy to use and ready to go for your ventilation or airway management needs. We'll start right here with the basic functions. The faceplate, you're going to have your knob and your power button. As soon as you press the power, depending on the knob, your ventilation is going to be ready to go. You have one knob that controls both ventilation and tidal volume. So as soon as you make your calculations based on your patient, you select the tidal volume and it's going to give you the correlating respiratory rate. Here at the bottom, you have your pressure modes or your pressure max, which is going to be depending on if you're doing mass ventilation or if you're doing ET tube or advanced airway. 45 centimeters of water for your advanced airway, and of course 20 centimeters of water for your mass ventilation. Right here you're going to have your LEDs that are going to let you know your low pressure or your high pressure. Right here you're going to have a color coordination, orange for your smaller or pediatric patients, or red for your bigger or adult patients. In this little section right here you're going to have your pressure max for your high pressure, your low pressure alarms, your airway or oxygen alarms, and then you're also going to have your battery life alarm. And then of course you have your alarm button, which you're able to mute the alarms 2 minutes max, and then it'll kick off again. The only alarm that you're not going to be able to mute is your oxygen alarm, because obviously that is imperative for patient care. Here you have your DISS connection. You need this to hook up to your oxygen source. Of course it's a pneumatic device, so it needs to work with the oxygen. Right here, you have your patient circuit connection where you're able to hook up, and I'll show you guys in a second how to do that. It's super easy. Your speaker for your alarms, and then of course you have your battery. The good thing about the battery change is that it's an easy change. All you need is a coin or a screwdriver, and you're able to twist with no special tool needed. You're able to take out the battery and then replace the battery accordingly. It is important to know that you don't need to charge this device because you're going to get 100 operational hours from the device. And of course we always recommend changing it every 2 years along with the maintenance of the device. You have your strap, which you're able to hook up to the stretcher, cot, or transfer in bed, and then you're going to be ready to go. And now I'm going to show you how to hook up the device and get it ready for patient care. Right here you have your patient circuit. It is really easy. Just a little bit of pushing and shoving and you're ready to go. Your tubes are easily connected, as you can see here, with no issues. Always remember that everything is disposable with the exception of the MEDUTrigger. When hooking up the MEDUTrigger, always align the red dots along, and there's no need to twist. Just slightly push and it's going to be ready to go. We're going to go ahead and hook it up here to the oxygen source. Of course, always make sure that your oxygen tank is switched off. There are some departments that of course like having this already in their airway bags ready to go, so it all depends of course on your department and your SOPs. And of course we have a mask connection, which is a universal mask connection. You don't have to use ours. You can work with the ones that you have in your department. So one of the cool features that I wanted to show you about the MEDUMAT Easy CPR is the demand flow mode. The demand flow mode is right at the tip to the right hand side of the selection knob. You'll see it right there. And the good thing with this is that you can use this as oxygen therapy for the patient. You can also use it for pre-oxygenation of the patient, or of course if the patient is spontaneously breathing, situations like maybe coming out of a fire and you do need to reduce that CO in the patient, you can use that as well. So as soon as you turn it on, and we already have it on that demand flow mode, you're actually going to be able to see how the patient can take the breath, breathe that oxygen, and with the negative pressure stop. I'll show you guys now. Oxygen therapy, pre-oxygenation, or just a BiPAP option that some people have used and it's worked very well. And now I'm going to show you how to ventilate the patient with our mechanical ventilator, the Easy CPR, and how to use especially our very unique MEDUMAT. You would control the respiration and tidal volume with the knob. You turn on the device, and now you're able to maintain that good double C grip on the patient and ventilate properly. One of the things, of course, that I have had trouble myself in the field is trying to ventilate a patient with a BVM. Unless I have two people right there helping me out, it is almost impossible to be able to ventilate and hold a good seal on the patient. As you can see with this, it's one of the many features that it has. But one of the other things that it has that's very unique is, of course, our MEDU trigger. Now, in a cardiac arrest situation or dynamic situation where you need to separate the ventilation from the tidal volume, now with this little thing called the MEDU trigger, you can see that it's lit up and it's ready to go. We're actually able to hold that good C grip on the patient and deliver those appropriate breaths. If you guys are conducting a CPR situation and you're doing 30 to 2 compressions to ventilation, you're also able to hold the trigger and deliver those 2 breaths depending on the tidal volume over 2 to 3 seconds. And of course, one of the good features and the main features that we have with the MEDUMAT Easy CPR is that you're going to know exactly what you're delivering to the patient and how much. Okay? Obviously, we know with the BVM, unfortunately, once you're pumping, you don't know how much volume you actually given the patient. You don't know how many respirations you've given. And of course, there's that risk of injury or bariatric trauma to the patient. With this, you won't have that. As soon as you turn it on, and for some reason, if you do break that seal, it's going to go ahead and give you that low pressure alarm and let you know, hey, you're not ventilating the patient properly. If you have too much pressure or you have an obstruction of the airway, then it of course is going to give you that high pressure alarm, and it's even going to give you a stop for the ventilation. One of the things that you can't do with the BVM is obviously stop injuries, but with this, with the fail-safe that it has, it's going to give you that high pressure alarm. It'll try to give 2 ventilations and stop ventilating the patient. Better for the patient, better for ventilation. And of course, after your mask ventilation, you're going to set up the endotracheal tube and advanced airway on your patient. As you can see here, we can attach, of course, your filter. You can attach a PEEP valve as well, which is a very good feature. And then of course, now you turn it on after your selection of the ventilation and tidal volume, and it becomes a hands-free task. Now your patient is being properly ventilated, and you're going to know that, of course, oh, I almost forgot, switching the pressure limit from 20 to 45, obviously, for your intubated patient. But now, of course, you have a hands-free ventilation mode with your patient, and of course, as you can see, no alarms are going off, so that means that the patient is being ventilated properly and accurately with the Easy CPR. That is the conclusion to our MEDUMAT Easy CPR. One thing to say is, please don't think about this as a complicated mechanical ventilator. Think about it as a BVM machine. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via website, email, or call. See you later, ventilator.